Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well. Today I'm going to show you the shopping which I did for my baby. First of all, I bought few stuff from River Island, few stuff I bought from H&M, and then I bought few stuff from TU Sainsbury. So let's start the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you what I bought from TU by Sainsbury. I never ever bought anything from Sainsbury, but I heard very good review about TU clothing. I heard that the stuff is really nice as compared to Star and Tesco. So I was just like to give it a try. So here is the first parcel which I'm going to show you, and this bag is from Sainsbury, TU by Sainsbury. So let's open it. So first of all, I bought this cute little cardigan for my daughter. She's 18 months old and I really like this cardigan. The stuff is really nice and it's very soft. I really like the colors in this cardigan. It's not very thick, but it's feel like it's really warm, and I like this one. And then here you can see 3 buttons, and then it's open from this side. So it's a nice cardigan. And then I got another cardigan for my girl, and here is the second one. You can see the neutral color. I think it's like skin color, very neutral color with the Peter Rabbit. And here are the cute buttons, and the stuff of this cardigan is very good. And here you can see the neckline and the buttons, contrast button, and all the buttons over here. So it's looked really nice. Here's the second cardigan, and then I got this 2-piece. Let me open it. Oh, cute. So here is the cute little outfit. It's light gray color, very neutral kind of color, and it's here is the Peter Rabbit embroidery on this top, and here is the bottom. Let me show you the bottom. Here is the bottom, and here is written Peter Rabbit. It's not printed, it's embroidered, and I'm surprised in this price I got a very nice knitted pair of pajama set, and which is like fully embroidered, and I got this one for £10. So I really like it. Here you can see the buttons. So I think it's a good bargain because I bought it in the sale. The original price was I think around 14 or 15 pound. Then I got another pajama set. Let me open it for you. Bought it for my daughter. She's 18 months, but she used to wear mostly 9 to 12 months outfit. And all of these dresses are very true to size. This one is, here you can see the pajama, and the color is cream color with these brown buttons on the top. And here you can see the neckline and the sleeves, and the stuff is like cotton stuff, and it's quite thin. It's not for the summer season. I think it's for early March season, you can say. So it's a really nice 2-piece pajama set, and I got it for £8. Then I got another 2-piece for her. They all are packed, by the way, very nicely. Wow. So this one is a proper winter outfit. The knitted top and a knitted bottom. Let's have a little bit of design, if camera can capture it properly. So here is the bottom, textured bottom with plain knitted top. With here you can see these 2 buttons, and you can see the sleeve, and the quality is really looks right very good. And I got this one for £11. So I got this one for £11. So again, a nice outfit. Again, another two-piece set. Another two-piece pajama set. It is quite similar to the other one. The color is quite similar, but the design are different. The skin colored cream skin colored top with this embroidered top, and it's written "Hello Little Love." It's really cute, and I really love this pajama. Look at the bottom, and here are the frills, if you can see. So it's a nice outfit, and I got this one for £7. So the prices are quite reasonable as compared to the quality. And the last thing which I got from Sainsbury is this cute little donkey set. I really love donkey set. I bought a lot for my boy, and the same which things I bought for her. Look at this, how cute it is. And I got this set for £14, and here you can see a legging in 9 to 12 month size, and here is the bodysuit, and you can see this cute little donkey set. I really love it, the finishing, the color, and you can see the buttons. Everything is so good. So this is all what I bought from Sainsbury. Now I'm going to show you what I got from the River Island. First of all, I bought this cute little first month outfit. This is how the packaging look, and it's a proper kind of gift box. Here is the design, and I got it from River Island. So let's open it. So here is this cute little outfit. It's for up to 1 month, and I got it for £25. And the stuff of this outfit is really adorable. It's like very soft and fluffy. The white sleeves, and with the contrast of the skin and this blue color, it's a really nice outfit. And you can see the neckline, cute little collars on the top, and these buttons. So I got it from River Island. And the next thing is this cute little romper. This is also I think the size is 0 to 3 months. It's not up to 1 month, so it's a 0 to 3 month size. So the color is white and blue, and look at this cute little romper. It's so cute, adorable. You can see the silver buttons, and here how it's looked. And the price of this outfit is £20. Then I got another cute outfit. This one is so cute. It's look really adorable. It's oh, look at these cute socks. So I have a pair of socks with it. So it's a top, very tiny top. I think it's a size up to 1 month. No, it's 0 to 3 months. It looks like up to 1 month, honestly. But here you can see the detailing of it. And here is the cute little shorts. So it's a 3-piece with a pair of socks. And I really like this cute little shorts. It's a proper, very nice summer outfit. And the price of this dress is £25. And I really like it. So all of these outfits are from River Island. And then, oh my god, look at this outfit. A cute little dungaree set. Again a dungaree set. I bought a lot of dungaree set. And again this dungaree set. Oh my god, it's crazy adorable. So that's the vibe I was looking forward for my little boy. I couldn't stop him getting Dengri said. It's a kind of obsession and I'm okay with that. I love that and I know it's addictive, but I know he gonna look so adorable, so cute in this in these outfits. So the stuff is very soft. I really like the fabric, especially the neutral color. He gonna look insanely adorable. So this is all the stuff which I bought this time. I hope you like my video. If you like it, please give it a huge thumb up. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.